All right, today we're gonna learn how to breakdance. First things first, we have to learn what our proper hand position is when we go down to the floor. This is gonna be something that you're gonna have to stretch out and practice a little bit, and do it every day just a little bit, and it'll come. Imagine this is the floor. We're gonna take our hand, and instead of pushing our hand on the ground flat, we are going to curve our finger back, and that way we are kind of in this position when we are placing our hand on the floor. It seems weird, seems odd and unnatural, but it makes a huge difference. So if you can, really start doing that right now. All right, let's go. All right. When we put our hand on the floor, we're gonna make sure that we have our finger curved in here. And we get down to the floor. We have two main positions, okay, on the floor. This is where most of your moves are gonna come from, so we're gonna teach you that first. First one is what most people are gonna call a squat. It's not a squat like this. We are gonna do a squat where we bring our knees over our toes. So you can see our knees are coming over the toes, and we are gonna bring our chest up and straight in our heads. We don't want to lean in. Our knees come up. We want to make sure those are flat, 90-degree angle, and same with my head to my toes. When we come down, this is our first position. Okay, we call it the squat, b-boy squat. Okay, we can bring our hands to the right and the left, trying to use that finger position with the thumb sticking out. Okay, we can bounce back and forth. You can start to take your knees and dip them in by pressing your hip forward. Bring it back in. Switch your hand. Bring it out. Bring it back in. Switch the hand. Out, in, switch. Out, in, switch. Switch, switch, switch. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know the next move you would like to learn, and I will get a video up soon.